Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In the last video, you already learned about simplify expression with two brackets, and now we will move to another level of linear equation. As you can see in here, you can see that we have equation. It's not expression anymore. You have equation. And for this equation, you got two brackets and it becomes two equation. So how can you work with this one? And the first step of this equation, you just want to expand these two brackets first, and then you solve that equation just like linear equation. But let me have you for first example. For these two brackets, you want to expand first, and the same thing to expand. For expand first bracket 2 times x and plus 2 times 4 plus 4 times x plus 4 times 2. So you can see now the first step, that's like normal of simplified expression. And then you rewrite right hand side plus 10. And the next step, I think you don't need to do anything in right hand side. This is equal 10, so keep it unchanged. We just simplify the left hand side first. So you got here is 2x plus s plus 4x plus 8 equal to 10. Yeah, I still keep unchanged for right hand side. For the left hand side, you got 2x plus 4x plus 8 equal to 10. And then the next one, you got 6 times x plus 16 equal to 10, like this. This is normal of linear equation, and you can apply transposing method immediately. I want to move plus 16 from left hand side to right hand side. You will got something like this. So this one is 6x and this is negative 6. And negative 6 stand alone will be captain on top, divided by 2, so this one is minus 1. Negative 6 over 6 equal to negative 1. Yeah, that is the way how can you solve this linear equation. So you can see this in the first line, in the first step, just want to expand, and then I simplify, so when it becomes to simplest form, it is equal to normal linear equation. So from this step to the last one, you can see that it is normal linear equation. This is not too difficult for you because you practice a lot of linear equation, but we just have a little problem about this step. And about this step is simplify the expression and then put that expression equal to something, it will become to equation. Yeah, solve that equation, you solve all or you solve totally that equation. Yeah, okay, that is example 1. Example 2, two bracket equal to something. Yeah, keep this one unchanged. So the next step is very easy. 3 times 4 minus 3 times x plus 2 times 5 plus 2 times x, and then equal to 15. Yeah, first step. This one is 12. This is negative 3x. This is plus 10. This is 2 times x. And this is 15. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so for this one, you will got negative 3x plus 2 times x plus 12 plus 10 plus 15. Minus 3 times x plus 2 times x, you got minus x or minus 1. And then plus 22 equal to 15. Okay, so negative x will become to equal to 15 minus 22. And for this calculation, you got minus 7, minus 8 here. And I want to change, or I want to applying transposing method one more time. Minus 8 from left hand side, move it to right hand side, it's become x. 7x from right hand side, move to left hand side, it's become to 7. So that's why I'm got 8 equal to 7 is my final answer for this question. Example 3 is the same thing. Simplify left hand side first, and then you will work with linear equation. 4 times x minus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 2x and plus 3 times 1 equal to 7. Okay, so the next step is simplify, get mathx x plus 6 times x plus 3 equal to 7. And then you got 6 times x plus 6 times x, 4 times x plus 6 times x minus 8 and plus 3 equal to 7. And simplify this one, you got 10x minus 5 equal to 7. So 10 times x equal to 7 plus 5. Move negatives 5 from left to right. It become like this. And then you got 10 times x equal to 12. So x will become to 12 divided by 10 like this. And 12 divided by 10, you can simplify this fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So 6 here and you have 5 here. Okay, that is question 3. Question 4. 9 times x plus 9 times 6 minus 5 times 2. Okay, a little problem here. Minus 5 times negative x. This is not x only, this is minus x, so you have to put it inside the bracket like this. So here is 18, and then you got 9x 54 minus 10 plus 5 times x plus 5 times x. Okay, so 9 times x plus 5 times x, and for this one you got plus 54 minus 10 equal to 18, and this is 14x, and for this one you got 44 because 54 minus 10 you got 44 minus 44. Okay, so for this one you will have 6 2 minus 26 minus 26. Okay, so h will be minus 26 divided by 14 and simplify by dividing by 2. Minus 13 and 7. Minus 13 over 7 is my final answer for this question. Question 5. 7 times 2x minus 7 times 1 minus 3 times 4 minus 3 times minus 3x like this equal to 12. So for this one you got 14x minus 7 minus 12 and plus 9 times x equal to 12. So 14x plus 9 times x minus 7 minus 12 equal to 12. Okay, so simplify 14x plus 9x, you got 23x. For this one, negative 7, negative 12, you got negative 19. 23 times x equal to 12. Move negative 15 from left to right, you have 19 here. 23 times x, 31, and then you got x equal to 31 over 23. Yeah, okay. That is final answer for question 5. Yeah, of course, this is not too easy and this is so long. Question 6. 10 times 5 minus 10 times 3x, 6 times 7, and minus 6 times 2x equal to 16. 50, 30x, 42, and minus 12x equal to 16. Okay, and minus 30x minus 12x plus 50 plus 42 equal to 16. Yeah, minus 42x and plus 92, 16. So minus 42x, 16 minus 92. Okay, minus 42x, something here, you will got 6, 7, minus. So next step, divide it. Negative 76 divided by negative 42. So this is negative divided by negative, so you have positive in last one, and it can be 21. Simplify this fraction, you got 38 divided by 21. 38 divided by 21. Yeah, that is question 6. Question 7. Do it by yourself and then compare to my answer. And I think you totally understand about this solving the equation. 18 6x minus 3x plus 18 equal to 20. And then you got 6x minus 3x plus 18 equal to 20. 3x plus 36 equal to 20. 3x equal to 20 minus 36. 3x equal to minus 16, and then minus 16 divided by 3. That is question 7. And the last example in this video, you got this bracket and this bracket. Okay, 4 times 8, 4 times 7, minus 8 times 7, minus 8 times negative 2x, like this. So you got here is 4x, 28, 56 plus 16x, like this. 18. Okay, 4 times x, 16 times x plus 28 minus 56 equal to 18. And then you got 20 times x minus, is that minus? Yeah, minus 28 equal to 18. 20x equal to 18 plus 28, and 46 and 46 stand alone. It is captain on top. 46 divided by 20, like this. 23 divided by 10. Yes, so this is final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I think this video is not too short, but it will help you practice some hardest linear equation in your program. Yeah, if you can work these 8 examples so well, I'm happy to you because you are so amazing. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.